video, I want to show you how to create camping checklist form. You need to click add-ons, Goofy form, and then the form template. And then you can search camping checklist form. After you found it, just click load selected template. And you can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings too. You need to refresh the page. After that, click Goofy form and get link. And then just click continue and go to your account. And then click advanced and go to Goofy form. And then just click allow here. And you will get a link like this and copy it and paste it into your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. You can also change the questions or anything in the form, like for example I want to insert new row here. I use text and just copy the question. For example, I change it into name and go to your form. It will show like this. Or maybe you can change the type into date and change, for example, date of camping like this, and go to your form and it will change easily, and the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. Also, you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear. And go to settings to change the background color of your form. For example, I change it into light blue like this. Or maybe you can change the style of the title too. For example, here I delete the mark behavior code and it will stuck like this. Thank you.